print the rate analysis. In Form Type 1, see the various elements sorted according to their input order. View the resource types in the specific column. In Form Type 2, here you can see that the various elements are sorted according to the resource type. In Form Type 3, the various elements are sorted according to the resource types. Hired machinery, equipment and transport are grouped under a single type. You can also see the labor and health and safety resource incidence percentages for a given item.